How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen of YouTube. After you click on your profile, you'll find all these options. Scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here on the left side, click on Advanced Settings, which is the last option. In Advanced Settings, scroll down and you'll find Delete Channel. Click on Delete Channel in here. After that, it will lead you to this page. Add your password and press on Next. After they've verified it's you, you'll find this kind of screen. There are two options. Simply click on I want to permanently delete and make sure there's tick mark in both the options and press on Delete my content. After that, you're good to go. This is how to delete YouTube channel permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.